Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I decorate cupcakes for Valentine's Day. I'm taking smooth buttercream and placing in the piping bag. I've prepared a tray with baking paper and now I'm gonna pipe a big heart. You can make it even bigger if you wish. I'll place on the top of the heart 3 cupcakes and now I'll place tray in the fridge for half an hour. When buttercream is set, I will flip the cupcakes and I will take off the baking paper. And now we are ready to decorate our cupcakes. Pipe it the way you like it. I'm just gonna show you my way. I will let you know what kind of nozzles I've used in the description below. Now I'm gonna send quick message. I will finish decorating cupcakes with some sprinkles and edible glitter. You can also add some edible gold leaves or edible flowers. You can also use acrylic topper. You can make some sugar paste bows. Just decorate the way you like it. I hope you like this tutorial.